So we are now here in Newport, Rhode Island, and today is our hi. So I was supposed to vlog last Sunday, but I forgot to charge my GoPro. So now we arrived. So we are now here in Newport, Rhode Island, and we arrived last Saturday night. Today is Tuesday already. So last Sunday we went to church, and we had a walk around the base, and today we'll be walking again around the base, and I'll just give you a quick tour. But before that, I'll give you a tour in our room here at the Navy Lodge. So we are staying here in the Navy Lodge, and I'll start first. So this is our bed. It's a queen size bed, I think. So this is the bathroom. The bathroom, it's already a mess because we have been using it already. This is the toilet. I'm sorry. This is the toilet with a shower on it. And this is like the closet, and we have like a small lounge area here, and there's like a dining table for two, and this is the kitchen. They're providing this dish rack, and they have this ano tawag dun sa ano na to na oven. No, the cooktop, the electric cooktop. There's a microwave. There's a right size fridge, and they're providing. No, this is the electric top, and they're providing spoons and forks, and that's our view here. So we really want to stay off base, but since they have an available room here, so we have no choice but to stay here. But we have a very big advantage to it, staying here inside the base. My husband don't have to go through the traffic going inside the base, and what's more important is just a walking distance if we need anything to the commissary and to the Navy Exchange. Is just a probably 3-minute walk from Navy Lodge. So there's a Navy Lodge here and a Navy Gateway, but the Navy Gateway Lodge is like close to the gate, and it's too far from the Navy Exchange and the commissary. So I will give you a quick walking tour from here, and anyway, I'll be like also have pictures of what we had last Sunday. So okay, so go with me, go with us, with my husband, as we make a walk here in the base, which are just close to the Navy Lodge. See ya. Okay, so we are staying in the second floor, and what's so sad about that is they don't have any elevator. So if you have a lot of luggages, you have to carry it going upstairs. But they have this exit area on the side of the Navy Lodge, in which it will be very accessible going to the Navy Exchange. So there's a playground here on the side of the Navy Lodge. So that's Navy Lodge over there, playground, and just by that building is the Navy Exchange, and that's the MW Port. I have a picture out there, and there's a bowling area in there. You can eat pizza and chicken wings in there. On the only matagal daw yan. Oh, galon? Yeah. And the only, I think, aside from this, you can order pizza and chicken wings. Is the only food we can have here is Subway, which is by the Navy Exchange. So that's the Navy Exchange. It's just across the Navy Lodge. Oh, they have Starbucks here.
No pa.
Over there on the other side. I'll be showing you later. So right behind the MWR that I have just shown you, on the other side of it is the, what's it called? Ano? CPO mess. And there's a view already here. I'm not sure if it's an ocean or a bay. And there's the Starbucks. That's the Starbucks. And right behind the Navy Exchange is the commissary. So see, we're really close. The Navy Exchange, that's the advantage. We're really close to the Navy Exchange and the commissary. So right now it's 5 o'clock, past 5 o'clock, and the sun is still there.
Not even.
Not even. 5 minutes before 5, but we have to see a view. It's just that our room don't have a view. We're on the back side. It's okay. So we just came from the commissary. We got milk. Sweetheart got, what we bought, Sweetheart? We got egg. What else? We got egg. We got beef for beef soup. What else? Onion. Ingredients for the beef soup. We bought egg and
Rice.
and right now commissary, we have to pay 5 cents for every bag that we're going to use. So now we are on the other side walking, going back to the Navy Lodge. So what's that building? It's the unaccompanied, right? And we're now walking, going back. This is the, what's this? Naval Station. That's the headquarters. That's the headquarters building. Yeah. And there's still like cherry blossoms here. I have pictures of that one. So we're now heading back to the Navy Lodge. Right. It's windy here. It's sunny. I think I think today is 60, but because it's windy, it feels like 50. It's cold. See, there's still a lot of beautiful trees here. Ah, nice. Still pretty. I have a picture of like somewhere over there. So this is the command headquarters. See, there's still a lot of cherry blossom. And now we're heading back to the Navy Lodge. So that's the oh yeah, we're going to the exchange to buy sandwich in Subway for our dinner tonight. I'll just show you here. Nice. And this is where we do our laundry. They have like 4 washers and 4 dryers. And how much you're going to pay, sweetheart? So how much you're going to pay?
125 each.
125 per load. How about the dryer? How much?
125.
125. So everything is 125. If you don't have any cranes, just have to scan this one, the code, and you can pay it through your phone. It's nice. At least you don't need to have a lot of points to wash your clothes. Since it's cold outside and I didn't wear my jacket, we'll just walk to our exercise here inside Navy Lodge. We'll just walk from here, going to the end, then walk again, going to the end. We'll use the stairs and we're going back. And that's it. It's a good exercise while waiting for our laundry. We have to be back 30 minutes, 36 minutes. That's what we're going to do. We'll walk for 36 minutes. It's a good exercise. We're going to do our part 2 of our walking tour here in Newport. So it's here. Training country. Fleet excellence begins here. Officer Training Command. OTCN. preparatory school. And with the, what do you call that? Newport Bridge. The Newport Bridge. I have a picture of that. Oh, we'll be able to see the training.
Naval Academy.
A Naval Academy.
Preparatory school.
Okay.
Naps.
So this is where the
academy.
Oh, before that go to academy, they have to go here? Oh wow.
Preparatory.
So this is the area which the training, we would do the training here with the Newport News Bridge. Newport lang pala, hindi Newport News. Newport Bridge. This is where they run. Ako yung video mo ako. Tumatakbo. They're going to King Hall. Their way to lunch. This is where they will eat lunch. Captain Edward. And we are now here at the gym here in Newport, Rhode Island. State of the art gym. Let's check.